Rebels, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going off on a journey off the Colligan Wood and try see maybe the salmon run or something like that, so that would be cool. But first of all, we got to go in and get some fuel, so let's do that first and foremost. An absolutely beautiful day. I was thinking of spending the rest of the autumn and winter specifically training for the full test, but then I kind of revised that and I thought to myself, like, I'm only on the bike 3 months. I only have it 3 months and I was off it for a few weeks, and I've stepped up from a 125 to a 600, so I'm going to spend the next few months getting used to the bike, getting used to the weight of the bike, getting used to the bigger CC on the bike as well. Now, I'm handling it really well anyway, but I don't think the winter is the best time to be training so for the full test. So I'm going to wait till the spring, and then I'm going to apply for it in the spring and see how soon I can get it, and just get used to the bike for now and go out and enjoy myself. Now, I am going to be adapting a much stricter riding, how do you put it, not riding style, but riding discipline, because I've been going through stops and all that kind of stuff. So now I want to stop at every stop sign that there is, you know, for the full test, because you can just get used to just going long those, and you don't want them habits. So I'm going to nail down a couple of more disciplines that I need to do. I'm not going wildly out of what the normal discipline is anyway, but it's just for the full test, just to nail those down over the next few months, but not too drastic and worth of training. So I'm going to go off and enjoy, especially a day like today, off on the adventures, go off and enjoy Waterford, or however far I can get, or however far I can go with the time that I have outside working, outside being a parent as well. So we shall see. But today it's the weekend. We're heading up to the woods, so if you go into the woods today, I hope I don't get a big surprise. Yeah, the signs are good already. No salmon fish. I really want to see them swimming. Cool. So this is the car park that you see me driving in, riding in, and then I'm going to go over across here then to the walkways and reverse and stuff like that. I think we find that cool. Such a beautiful place. So I'm sure through those streams the salmon come rushing down. It's usually in September, but I don't know, do you need a particular day or something like that? It is beautiful. This is Colligan Wood walk in Dungarvan. I have it as a title anyway. I'm gonna go this way a bit. I get so close to the water there. God, what I would do to see salmon coming down here. Wow. Place is perfect. It looks absolutely stunning. Colour of the water. Everything. The leaves falling down. Perfect. Autumn. Okay, so if you can see it properly,
come from here on the map, all the way here along the N25, along here, past Amy Bryan, and then to here, just following the green line here, and then, okay, so yeah, so then I take the road here, take the N72 here, if you can see that properly, the N72 here, and then I took the right at the monument, the S.M.A.R.T monument, and then up this, or yeah, the S.M.A.R.T monument this way, and then you go right on the road here, and then you go into Colligan Wood. So that's where I am now. So that's over there, sitting here on the bench having a bit of a break, and yeah, I don't know, not sure yet where I'm going to go from here, but yeah, so I'm in here at the moment. I'm kind of walked up along here. Haven't seen any salmon or anything like that, but I can see the signs for the salmon fishing I showed you earlier, and yeah, it's a really nice area, really nice, as you can see from the footage showing. And yeah, I don't know where I'm going from here, but we'll decide soon enough. Deise Rebel adventures. Haven't been this way before, so let's see where it brings us. This is going up the side of the walk where I went, as far as I can see from the other side anyway. Looking at there a while ago, just to get pictures off in reference there and drop it back to him. And I'm going to buy one. I want to be able to draw out the map myself, use the marker and where I've been, and go visit places and find little lakes and all that kind of stuff as well. I think this is the back of the corner, I think. A bit hairy, yeah. Shit is this road? Well, this is not grass in the middle of the road anyway. Well, this road doesn't fill me full of confidence, but hey. Oh, there's the grass in the middle of the road. I knew it was coming. Oh, is this a bridge? Oh. See with the sun. Jesus, that sun. Bit of respect there now. This
English is in a pub anyway. Another pub. And another pub. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Army are out. Nice footage of the army. Huh. Very safe. Have arrived indeed. Now, somewhere to get to a garage. Not too bad. Happy days. We'll the garage stopped, so open hot day. You see? Let's roll across here. See what's in here. So cool building. Maybe it's the barracks, is it? I don't know. Pretty nice. So we're in Ballymacarbery now. It's a beautiful place. I wasn't expecting it to be this beautiful. So what would you expect, I suppose? I love that building. Really cool building. I've seen the army up there. I wonder if they had to do it here. Oh look, 4 Mile Water then, nowhere. That's how they play. Cool. Seen that before. Cool. Hello, Deise Rebel. There's that army truck. Cool. Wow. So by Ballymacarbery, it was nice meeting you. Lovely little spot. No, great place to stop on bikes or tea or whatever. That's cool though. I like the wood carvings.
Finally got a place and had a cup of tea, which was a bit disappointing because I thought there'd be somewhere in Ballymacarbery or something like that where I could stop and have tea in a cafe or a new place or whatever, you know. Now maybe I should try the pubs instead. I don't know, but yeah, it's a bit disappointing. But anyway, we're going to head on in the road. Watch this tool coming in on the right hand side. Look, it's a 50 or a 60 there, and it's the barrier is 100 up there, and you couldn't wait 2 minutes to go there. Just had to be Billy Big Bollocks trying to head off in the car. Like, what do people be actually thinking? It wrecks my head because they're actually endangering people on the road because of their own ego. Where is that driver going? I catch up with him later on, you know, and with just doing the normal speed. What an absolute spanner. Anyway, enough about the spanners on the road. I'm just heading in there home, and it's actually getting a bit colder as well, so you can actually feel the autumn for the first time properly in this season. But yeah, I really enjoyed the spin up to Colligan Wood and into Ballymacarbery. Excuse me, into Ballymacarbery, and also I can go over the Nire Valley River there, and I didn't know that, so I will go back and visit there another time. And yeah, that's a wrap for the video today. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. And I was going to say I read all your comments, which I do, but I only get 2 or 3 comments anyway. But you know, drop a comment. Tell me why you like it, like I said in the last videos and stuff like that. Why do you like the channel? What more would you like to see? What got you interested in the channel? All that kind of stuff as well. And don't forget to share it then on your social media if you would please. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching again. Deise Rebel out.